Hi, I'm Benny Herron.
Hi, and I'm Mercedes Alonso, and we're from the Father Engagement Unit.
Last time we talked about how to start conversations with your teens about their friends.
Yeah, this time we're going to discuss what to do if your teenager comes with a friend issue. What advice do you have, Benny?
It's really important to continue to display values of mutual respect, open communication, and honesty. Um, when your teens have problems, those are the key gateways that are going to bring them sort of into your arms, so to speak. Um, and if you've followed our previous advice, you've reiterated your values, your beliefs, and your core system that makes you sort of tick in your household.
You're so right, but that may not help.
I mean, I think the key is when we feel helpless, is to listen, listen, listen. Be a shoulder to cry on. Don't try to fix the situation immediately. Allow them sort of in that moment to feel how they feel, and just let them be for a moment, and assure them that conflict is natural, but you want them to not avoid conflict, but learn how to deal with it effectively in a healthy way.
I hear what you're saying, but Benny, how about some strategies?
I think it's intentional for us to um, want to save our children, right, and fix every situation, right. But we have to be conscious and make sure that we are not not allowing them to make decisions based on friends that are maybe not the most healthy for them. Um, and we have to sort of be the gateway for that, right? And helping them recognize the difference between deliberately mean behavior or thoughtless mistake. Um, and we have to be sort of again those gatekeepers between someone that may be doing our children harm. We may perceive it as bullying and someone trying to take advantage of them, but they're seeing it again as, oh well, no, this person is just, they made a mistake, or they don't do that all the time, and we have to sort of be that those gatekeepers for our children.
So, as parents, what can we do if friends are trying to take over your teenager's life?
First and foremost, you have to have a foundation of reasonable limits and setting boundaries. Limit devices and phone usage, and social media access. And again, involve yourself in the activities of your children. Go to their games. Invite even their friends to hang out at your house, or go shopping with you, or go to the movies. Make it more natural for them so that you can be a part of their life in those good moments. So when something sort of adverse happens, you're there. Enforce those rules and family rules and responsibilities and structures. And if those things aren't met, you can't go outside and play.
Wow, that's a lot to think about, but a lot of useful information.
You can find more information about father engagement and parenting at fairfaxcounty.gov. Search Father Engagement.